What's up, crypto fam? Welcome back to Bitcoin Bulletin, your #1 source for all things Bitcoin. Kicking things off, institutions are doubling down like never before. We're talking about massive Bitcoin purchases that are shaking up the entire market. Firms are seeing every dip as a golden opportunity to load up their digital treasuries, proving that the race to accumulate BTC is far from over. Get ready, because this is just the beginning. Next up, get ready for some seismic shifts in corporate finance. We've got a groundbreaking merger that's catapulting Bitcoin into the corporate asset stratosphere. This isn't just about buying Bitcoin, it's about fundamentally redefining how major companies manage their reserves and embrace the future of finance. This deal is massive and could set a precedent for years to come. But wait, there's more. The political landscape for Bitcoin is about to face its biggest test yet. This Tuesday, a pivotal political event is set to land, one that has the potential to reshape the entire trajectory of Bitcoin politics as we know it. This could be a defining moment for the entire crypto space, so you absolutely need to stay tuned. And finally, we're diving deep into how companies like CleanSpark are leveraging Bitcoin-backed credit lines, securing substantial funding to fuel their growth and operations. This move with Coinbase Prime is a game changer, showcasing innovative financial strategies within the crypto ecosystem. Stick around as we break down all these incredible stories and more. Make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell. Institutions are back in control. The Bitcoin buyback bonanza, /N/N forget the red September jitters, because the big players are making moves that redefine the crypto treasury. We're witnessing a massive resurgence of institutional buying, with companies like Metaplanet and the Strive Group demonstrating an unwavering commitment to Bitcoin. Metaplanet just snagged another 5,419 BTC, pushing their reserves to a staggering 25,555 BTC and cementing their spot as the fifth largest corporate holder. Their ambitious goal? To reach 30,000 BTC by 2025 and a colossal 210,000 BTC by 2027. That's 1% of the entire Bitcoin supply. Meanwhile, the Strive Group, in a $1.34 billion merger with Semler Scientific, has added a whopping 5,816 Bitcoins to its holdings. Even Michael Saylor's MicroStrategy continues to add to its stack, reinforcing its pioneering role in the crypto treasury model. Despite price dips that might scare off individual investors, these corporate giants see every downturn as a prime opportunity to strengthen their long-term Bitcoin strategy. Analysts are watching closely, with many believing regulatory clarity will be the final catalyst for even broader institutional adoption. This isn't just about asset accumulation. It's a clear signal that Bitcoin is solidifying its position as a strategic reserve asset, attracting traditional finance and reassuring crypto investors by consolidating the price floor. However, not all companies are thriving. Some are struggling to maintain valuations, resorting to stock buybacks instead of Bitcoin acquisitions, highlighting the precarious balance some crypto treasury models face. Eric Trump's recent reminder that ignoring Bitcoin means being left behind further emphasizes its growing indispensability. This institutional appetite is not a fad. It's a calculated move towards a digital future where Bitcoin plays a critical role. /N/N stay locked in, because the narrative on corporate Bitcoin holdings is about to get even more interesting with a groundbreaking merger that's elevating Bitcoin to a whole new level of corporate asset status. CleanSpark secures $100 million Bitcoin-backed credit line from Coinbase Prime, /N/N in a strategic move that underscores the growing integration of digital assets into traditional finance. Bitcoin miner CleanSpark has secured a significant $100 million Bitcoin-backed credit capacity from Coinbase Prime. This innovative financing solution provides CleanSpark with substantial flexibility and capital, enabling them to enhance their operational capacity and pursue growth opportunities without immediately liquidating their Bitcoin holdings. This partnership highlights Coinbase Prime's expanding role as a key financial partner for major players in the cryptocurrency industry, offering sophisticated financial products tailored to the unique needs of digital asset companies. N, the significance of this development lies in its demonstration of how Bitcoin can be leveraged as collateral for substantial credit facilities. For CleanSpark, this means access to capital that can be used for expanding their mining infrastructure, potentially acquiring more efficient hardware, or navigating periods of market volatility. It also signals a maturing market where Bitcoin is increasingly recognized not just as an investment, but as a valuable asset that can unlock traditional financial services. Analysts suggest that such arrangements could become more common, providing miners with crucial financial tools to manage their businesses more effectively and contribute to the overall stability and growth of the Bitcoin network. N this substantial credit line from Coinbase Prime is a testament to CleanSpark's robust operational performance and its strategic financial management. The market reaction has been positive, with investors recognizing the potential for increased efficiency and expansion. This move allows CleanSpark to remain competitive in the rapidly evolving Bitcoin mining landscape while exploring new avenues for growth and operational enhancement. The ability to secure such a significant credit facility underscores the increasing sophistication of financial instruments available to crypto-native companies. N, but the moves in the corporate Bitcoin space don't stop there. Get ready for a merger that's not just big, but revolutionary, pushing Bitcoin firmly into the realm of a primary corporate asset. Strive Inc. and Semler Scientific unite in $1.6 billion merger, elevating Bitcoin to corporate asset status. N prepare for a seismic shift in corporate finance as Strive Inc. and Semler Scientific finalize a monumental $1.6 billion all-stock merger, a deal that unequivocally elevates Bitcoin to the status of a core corporate asset. This isn't just another business combination. It's a bold declaration of intent to reshape Treasury management, with the newly formed entity inheriting an astonishing trove of over 10,900 BTC. This strategic acquisition places them squarely among the top-tier corporate Bitcoin holders, signaling a profound evolution in how established companies view and integrate digital assets into their financial reserves. The merger, driven by Strive's acquisition of Semler's shares at a staggering 210% premium and utilizing a preferred equity model, redefines the boundaries of corporate cryptocurrency engagement, moving beyond mere speculation to embrace Bitcoin as a foundational financial pillar. And spearheaded by the visionary Vivek Ramaswamy, Strive is pioneering innovative treasury strategies, challenging traditional financial paradigms. This merger transcends simple Bitcoin accumulation. It represents a significant leap towards broader institutional acceptance and a fundamental reevaluation of cryptocurrency's role in corporate strategy. The immediate market response saw Semler's stock surge over 10%, reflecting strong investor confidence in this forward-thinking approach. However, this bold move also brings critical regulatory considerations to the forefront. As these trailblazers integrate Bitcoin into conventional financial systems, they navigate complex compliance hurdles, particularly concerning their unique preferred equity model. For other corporations eyeing similar innovations, understanding and addressing these regulatory ambiguities will be paramount for sustained growth in the digital asset era. And this transformative alliance is poised to ignite a wave of similar strategic initiatives across industries, firmly positioning Bitcoin as a legitimate and powerful financial asset class. Market watchers are already observing a heightened interest among corporations eager to adopt Bitcoin-centric treasury strategies, pushing against long-standing financial norms. The integration of Bitcoin into corporate treasury operations signifies a pivotal moment, demonstrating a fundamental shift in how organizations manage liquidity, allocate resources, and harness technological advancements for operational efficiency. The Strive-Semler merger is more than a financial transaction. It's a blueprint for the future of corporate finance, setting a transformative example for the global business community and heralding the dawn of Bitcoin's era as a true corporate reserve asset. N, but the impact of Bitcoin isn't just being felt in boardrooms. It's heading straight to the heart of politics, where a major test is looming that could redefine its future trajectory. Bitcoin faces its biggest political test, yet this Tuesday, /N/N get ready, because Bitcoin is on the verge of its most significant political confrontation. This Tuesday marks a pivotal moment as a major political event is set to unfold, one that promises to reshape the entire trajectory of Bitcoin politics. This isn't just another headline. It's a defining moment that could have profound implications for the future of cryptocurrency regulation and adoption on a global scale. /N/N, while the specifics of this political test remain under wraps, its impending arrival signals a critical juncture for Bitcoin. The outcome could influence legislative actions, regulatory frameworks, and public perception, potentially accelerating or hindering the mainstream integration of digital assets. The cryptocurrency community is watching with bated breath, understanding that the decisions made in the political arena can have direct and lasting effects on the market. /N/, and the anticipation surrounding this event highlights the growing influence and importance of Bitcoin in the broader economic and political landscape. As more institutions and individuals embrace Bitcoin, its presence in political discussions and policy making becomes increasingly inevitable. This upcoming test is a clear indicator that Bitcoin is no longer just a fringe technology, but a significant factor in the global financial and political discourse. /N/N, and that's a wrap on today's breaking news. But before you go, let's do a super fast recap of everything we covered. All right, Bitcoin Bulletin fam, let's do a lightning fast recap. Institutions are going all in on Bitcoin, buying up massive amounts and strengthening their reserves. We saw a game-changing merger between Strive Inc. and Semler Scientific, officially making Bitcoin a core corporate asset. CleanSpark is leveraging Bitcoin-backed credit capacity from Coinbase Prime, showing innovative financial strategies. And get ready, because Bitcoin's biggest political test is hitting this Tuesday, potentially reshaping its entire future. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to Bitcoin Bulletin for more essential crypto updates, ring that notification bell so you never miss a beat, and follow us on all our social channels for more exclusive content. See you next time.